Grateful Kids. Today we are going to learn how to paint a Christmas wreath. Let's get started! For this lesson, we are going to need paper. We are using watercolor paper, water, a paper plate or a plastic plate, paper towels, acrylic paints, the colors blue, yellow, red, white, and black, something round, a pencil, and if you want, a paintbrush. And don't forget your fingers.
Yeah.
For the first step, we are going to take a round object about this size and we're going to place it in the center of our paper. You can take a pen or a pencil or whatever and put it right here and go all the way around the round object. This is going to help the shape of your wreath.
So you're going to need to put the other hand on it and the other hand drawing.
Don't take your hand off or it'll move.
Try to keep it very still. So if it messes up a little bit, you can always just paint over it and it doesn't matter.
So we're going to take our black paint and we're going to put some of that on our plate. And then we're going to take our finger, this handy tool, and dip our finger in. It's time to get messy.
Look.
It's a big chocolate chip.
It's a big chocolate chip.
Don't eat this. So you're going to take it and you're going to dab it on here. Like this. Fill it on up. Fill it on up. This is a song my mom made. You gotta go check out her channel and her wreath painting to see what I'm talking about. Fill it on up. Fill it on up. I'm singing this song because my mom made it up. You can go around the whole circle with your black finger paint. You can make it as thick or as thin as you want. I can see my fingerprint. I am making mine thicker and messier and crazier and funner and stuff like that. Look at mine, Katie. It's beautiful. So the next step that we're gonna do is that we're gonna make a dark green. To make a dark green, we're gonna need yellow. Blue. Black. And then we're going to mix it together slowly. So add a little yellow to your blue. Or blue to your yellow, whichever one. You don't want to mix too much yellow with it or else it'll get too light. This is a nice green color. Now you know that blue, yellow, and black make dark green. The water is for getting the paint off of your fingers. Mwah. You can use your paper towel to get off all this messy stuff on your fingers. The next step is you're going to take your green, your dark green, and your finger, and you're going to put it on like you did with the black. All over. And remember, you can always put some dots on the outside to show that there's some leaves, you know, and on the inside, you put them wherever you want.
I'm going to cover the willow. Willow get covered.
So, now we are going to mix our blue and our yellow with no black this time, making a medium green. This is a good color. While you are mixing, let your wreath dry. You're going to have different colors of green. It doesn't have to match exactly. You just need to have no black in it and no white in it. Now you're going to take your medium green, which is a normal green, and do the same thing you did with your dark green and just put it on. You're going to put less green than your other green for this one. Ooh, do you like painting or drawing more?
I'm going to put blueberries on mine.
Don't cover all the black. The black is the shadow. Okay. So now we're going to grab our yellow, blue, and some white to make some light green for the wreath. And we're going to mix it together. If you have extra green left over, just add a little bit of white and yellow to it.
This is the color.
You're just going to add a little bit, not a lot, in just a few different places. Make sure that you cover up all of these spots, though, that don't have anything. So it looks nice and full and pretty, and it's not a wreath. Everybody's wreath is going to look different, but you can make it however you like it to. This is Creative Kids. You get to be creative. Now, use your colors to make whatever you want. A bow, berries, twigs. I'm going to use some red and I'm going to make some berries. Don't mix it or it'll mix with the green. Just put it right on top. You can do clusters of berries or just, single ones like I did. I'm making some berries. I'm going to have all sorts of colors of berries because this is a rainbow berried thingy. A rainbow berried wreath.
Making a bow.
I am mixing some yellow to my red because my red is like this very pink red, which is the primary color red. It's a pinkish colored red, but I want a more red red. Did you know that magenta is actually the primary color, not red? You can learn all of this stuff at creativeart.com. I am making my bow, but I have to go over it again because this paint is slightly transparent, which means clear. I am done. Look at it. It's cool. It has rainbow berries. Not rainbow berries, all sorts of berries. When you're done, you're going to wash your hands and clean up. We're going to clean up. We're going to clean up. Watch this. This is a magic trick. Watch this. It moves.
Thanks
for creating with us. We hope you had fun. Don't forget to hit that big thumbs up button and subscribe and click the bell right next to the subscribe button. And if you want to, you can share your painting with us on Instagram. Our Instagram is @CreateFulKids. Bye! Dun, 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 dun.